and Zooble turned straight.
My limbs straighten up and off.
I'm sorry, could you speak up? I couldn't quite make that out.
Ragatha's just too nice to say anything. Jax just likes to with everybody.
Did you remember to get my comedy mask?
Kane, what's our big ticket item?
Kane! I want my thumbs back!
They're enjoying the suggestion box adventures more than the me adventures. What should I do?
You should die. You should throw a f***ing beach party.
Why do you swear now?
I know there's an implication there, but I can't be to figure it out.
Me and my junkie associate from a chemistry class I used to teach
Yeah, I
started-
figured. How about you, Gangle?
Hey, I wasn't done.
If you're gonna make up, at least be creative about it.
Sup, I'm Evil Pomni. Check this out. You're out, dumb.
Damn it!
Ha! Get owned!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And then you just act like you never do anything wrong and everybody loves you, when in reality you just everything up for everyone else!
God damn it!
Man,
Oh, what kind of a sicko are you, Pomni?
what the is going on?
Hey, Kane!
You f***ing asshole!
Yes, Jax?
Look, it's Zooble.
You! You really want to know what I want?
Oh no.
I want the ability to have
No way.
What were we talking about? Oh yeah, how teamwork is essential to making the dream work.
Tell that to him! He's the one that f***s everything all the time.
You are in a mood today, aren't you?
Now, you know what they say about assuming. It makes an ass out of you and Ming.
Ming?
Did Kane just say ass?
Shit! That's actual bullshit. Ow! Well, shit, man.
Sold to the ragdoll down front.
But I didn't.
No refunds.
But why you sound like a complete fool?
I don't give a.
Man, this is so lame. Hey, dental plan. I'd like to buy this bad boy if you're selling him. Why do you have to be so stupid? Who the is this guy?
Or if you're a Canadian freak,
Wait.
why not this comfy sweater with all your favorite on the back?
No! You f***ing suck, man.